Have you ever wondered how does animation work? There are thousands of frames in a minute which cannot be precisely drawn by human hands. So, how do you teach a machine to draw something? How does the machine analyze and transfer the information? Let's get to the basics. For example, if a graph generator just knows to generate polynomial graphs like constant x, x square, x cube and so on, then how can you program the machine to draw complex functions like sin x, cos x, e raised to x? This can be done with a simple concept which is Maclaurin's series. For example, let's take the function sin x. According to Maclaurin's series, sin x equal to x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus and so on. Now first, let's take a single term fx equal to x. It looks like. Now let's take two terms fx equal to x minus x cube by 3 factorial. Now this looks like. Alright, so now let's take three terms fx equal to x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial. This looks like. Now if we take four terms, it looks like. So the graph keeps on extending. If we continuously see the graph by increasing the number of terms, it seems like two pens are drawing the sine function curve. Amazing, right? Now imagine thousands of pens making a graph in a synchronized manner. It would be a much optimum method. This is possible by a series known as Fourier series. Like in Maclaurin series, we convert a function into infinitely many sums of powers of x. In Fourier series, the function is converted into sum of infinitely many sine and cos functions with different frequencies. Every sine and cos function acts as thousands of rotating vectors whose resultant ends up in tracing really complicated curves. This is a beautiful way in which if we know the proper functions, then we can even program a machine to create complex drawings whose accuracy will vary according to the number of terms used. Fourier series is used in signal processing. The signal's domain is transformed by using Fourier transform. It is used in graphic designing. It is also used for making assumptions during research on hypothesis and control theory. Fourier series is used to easily solve partial differential equations. Fourier series is fundamental to modern mathematics and is used a lot in programming and computer hardware. We hope our video helped you better understand the Fourier series.